YouTube? This is your girl D Spoiled as TABRON coming to you with another video. And today's video is going to be on a Louis Vuitton unboxing from Fashionphile slash unboxing from Etsy that I have purchased in my last video that I didn't want to reveal because then you would know what this item was. So those will be the two items that I will be doing an unboxing on today. But before I get started, I want to say thank you to my subscribers. Thank you to the new ones. Thank you for the old ones. And if you are sharing my videos, I thank you a lot. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So here is the item that I received today. From work. I had the item sent to my job because, you know, you have to sign for the item if you're buying it from Fashionphile. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. You guys, I have been waiting on this item. I had my eye on this item for a while. And I went ahead and purchased it Monday and paid for it. And the lady told me that it should ship out early that day because I, you know, purchased it when they first opened. And she said it should go out that same day because I wasn't busy. And come to find out, it didn't ship until like Wednesday, and that was only because I called and I asked them, you know, what was going on with the item, you know, and that the rep told me it should have went out Monday. So I'm just now getting it today. This box was hard to get open. Okay, so you guys, here is the box. This is Fashionphile. Here is the thank you card, and then here is the receipt. Now this item was new, but it didn't come with the box, it came with the dust bag. And the item is in here, and it just says used is the new. They also sent another fingernail file along with a few graffitis and the paper. Some of you might know what it is already. Here is the dust bag. It is in a drawstring Fashionphile dust bag. Okay, you guys, and to reveal what I purchased was, taking a look at it, the Louis Vuitton No Way bag. Is it Neil No Way? It's one of those. How about that? Like I said, this item was new. They do have the tags on it right here. You know, once you remove the tags, the bag is yours. It does come with the strap. And before I decided to buy this one, I wanted to make sure that the strap had the stitching on it because, as you know, when they first came out with it, they had issues with some of the straps didn't have the stitching on the strap. So I wanted to make sure this one did have it. Now you can wear this bag crossbody or regular up and down. here is the Louis Vuitton dust bag. I don't know if you'll be able to see on the inside, but it's just deep here and in here. And you have the zipper part right here. And inside there is the booklet, the textile card. And then you have the sticker that says Neo Noe, Monogram Noir, and the number is M44020. And like I said, you have the middle part right there. And this strap here is adjustable. So it contracts like this, and to make it shorter you go this way, and to make it long you go back this way, and you snap the button. And this makes the item longer to be able to wear it crossbody. Okay. Now, I'm going to snap it back to the short way. I said, to be able to close it with the drawstring, and you just pull this right here up to close it, and also back down to loosen it. So that is the bag that I purchased. So you already know what the next item is that I purchased from Etsy. So let's go ahead and open it. Here is the box. I haven't opened it, so I've had this for a while. And I came across this item by watching another YouTuber's video. I can't remember her name. And she bought it off of Etsy, and she told who the seller was on Etsy. So I decided to go on there and purchase it. So here is the box. And the person on Etsy, their name was McCraft Leather. Yeah, McCraft Leather. That's who I ordered it from on Etsy. And what I ordered was this right here, a black handle. So I wanted this bag to be functional. So not only can I wear it crossbody or up and down, I can also hold it in my arm with this right here. And let's open it up. And the craftsmanship on it is excellent. I don't know if y'all can really see it. But I didn't want to put just any kind of strap on it. So, and then the clips are the same as the clips on this here, the Louis Vuitton clips. Only difference is this one doesn't have Louis Vuitton on it. So let's go ahead and put it on there and see what it looks like. Okay. So like I said, not only I can carry it like this now, I can also carry it on my shoulder like this. Let's see, I don't know. Or, like I said, I can do this. Or I can loosen the straps. And do a crossbody. You can see. And excuse the noise, that was just me turning the camera down on the tripod so that you could be able to see it. But it hits like close to my hips right here. So yeah. So I will call this a functional bag because there's more than just one way that you can carry it. So I'm kind of anxious to see what all I can work with in here, and I'll come back and tell you a review on it, tell you what I think about it. So you guys, remember to always give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share my video. That lets me know that you are watching my video, that I am being helpful. So until the next time.